Okay, so we're going to try another one where the elapsed time might not be as easy just to count by fives with, so we might need a number line for this one. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it with a number line, and we will figure out the elapsed time between 2:15 a.m. and 2:47 a.m. So on our number line, our start time is 2:15, so we're going to make sure our first number we put down is 2:15. Okay. I'm going to make sure I'm counting by a number that would get me as close as I possibly can to 2:47. So I'm going to, like I said, I like to count by tens. I'm going to count by 10. So my first jump, 2:15 plus 10 gives me 2:25. Now right up here, plus 10. Okay, I'm going to do another 10. 2:25 plus 10 gives me 2:35. 2:35 plus 10 gives me 2:45. Okay, I'm as close as I possibly can be to 2:47 because if I count by 10 again, I'm going to be way past 2:47. So I don't count by tens anymore. So I'm at 2:45. I need to figure out what numbers get me as close as I can to 47, which would be what? 2 minutes, right? So 1, 2 plus 2, that brings me to 2:47. So let's figure out our elapsed time. I'm going to switch colors here. We did 10, 20, 30, and 2 more minutes. So what is my elapsed time between 2:15 and 2:45? How much time passed? And that would be 32 minutes. Awesome. Okay. If we look down here, it's a little bit different because it doesn't give you an end time. They're asking you to figure out what the end time would be if the elapsed time is 47 minutes. So just like we did before, we're going to use a number line. I'm going to do my start time, which is 4:05, and I'm working left to right. 4:05, and my elapsed time is 47 minutes. So that means between 4:05 and whatever my end time is, 47 minutes have passed. So we don't know what our end time is, but we're trying to figure that out given this. So let's start counting by tens again. I like counting by tens. I think it gives us a good start. So let's count by plus 10. So 4:05 plus 10 gives me 4:15. Okay, I'm going to keep counting by tens. Another 10 gives me 4:25. Okay, as you can see, I went all the way to 4:35. I'm currently at 30 minutes. I'm still trying to get to 47 minutes. So, should I count by 10 or should I start counting by fives? Well, let's see. If I count by tens, that's going to bring me to 4:45. Okay, and that would bring me to 40 minutes. So I'm going to count by another jump of 10. Okay. Now I'm at 40 minutes. I'm trying to get to 47 minutes, so I can either count by 5 or I can count by 7. So I'm going to do a jump of 5. Sorry, my number line's kind of running out. And that brings me to 4:50. I'm trying to get to 47 minutes, so I just counted 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47. I just need to make a jump of 2. I'm going to use green for that. And give me to my end number of 450 plus 2 gives me 4:52, which is my end time. Okay, this is the last one we're going to try together, and this one's a little bit different because they give you the end time first, and you need to figure out what the beginning time is just by being given the elapsed time. Okay, so let's try that out. Our end time is 3:05, so we're not going to start here. We're starting at the end of our number line. So 3:05, we need to count backwards by 18 minutes. So let's start by counting by 5, just to bring us to 3 o'clock. So let's jump minus 5, which gives me 3 o'clock. Okay, let's jump back by 5 again, which gives me 2:55. Now I'm at 10 minutes. Let's jump back another 5, which gives me 2:50. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I just need to jump back 1, 2, 3. So 2:50, 2:49, 2:48, 2:47. So between 2:47 and 3:05 is 18 minutes. Good job, guys. So make sure you guys do the problems this week. There'll be some elapsed time, some word problems with those. And if you need any help with them at all, let me know. All right, bye, guys.